Hey, tech enthusiasts! Welcome to ROTech-Hub, your go-to destination for all things tech. I'm Alyawasian, and I'm thrilled to be your guide through the incredible world of technology. Here on ROTech-Hub, we're not just about gadgets and gizmos, we're on a mission to explore the very fabric of the tech universe. From the latest smartphone releases to mind-blowing innovations in artificial intelligence, this is the place where we break down the tech talk and make it accessible to everyone. Now, you might be wondering, why ROTech-Hub? Well, it's more than just a channel. It's a hub where tech enthusiasts like you and me come together to unravel the mysteries of the digital age. Expect in-depth reviews, hands-on demonstrations, and lively discussions about the hottest trends in the tech world. But here's the twist, I want to hear from you. Your comments, questions, and suggestions will shape the content we explore together. I'm Alyawasian, and I can't wait to share my passion for technology with all of you. Get ready to dive into the world of ROTech-Hub, where tech talks become tech adventures. Thanks for being here, and let the tech exploration begin. Screen burn-in, when an image just won't go away. Screen burn-in is a faint, visible mark from an app, text or image that permanently stays on the screen no matter what's displayed, and it's usually caused by leaving the same image on the screen for too long. Several users of the new phones have turned to social media to complain about the screen burn-in, like this TikTok user who posted a viral video showing the burn-in of the TikTok on her phone. The new iOS 17.1 update, which is expected to release soon, will fix the issue, Mashable reports, as the beta version was already rolled out to developers earlier this week. A Reddit user who claims to have access to the iOS 17.1 beta version shared pictures of their screen before and after the update, which appears to have solved the display issue. This issue doesn't just affect phones. Any device with an OLED screen display is susceptible to this issue, like any TV left on the same channel for an extended period of time. Though users can't fix screen burn-in on their own, there may be ways to reduce or prevent the problem until the update arrives. There are videos on YouTube aimed at fixing screen burn-in, which typically feature rapid movement on the screen that is meant to clear burn-in. Another suggested method is shutting down the phone for at least a couple of hours to give the pixels some time to rest. Lowering the screen brightness is also believed to at least help with this problem. This is because when the screen is bright, the phone is more susceptible to screen burn-in as the pixels have to work harder. This can be done either by swiping down on the right side and accessing the control center, or by going into the Settings app and accessing the Display and Brightness menu. To prevent screen burn-in from happening, using dark mode may also work in the same vein, as it keeps the screen darker if a user tends to continuously use their iPhone at maximum brightness. This can also be turned on in the Settings app under the Display and Brightness section. Another preventative measure is turning on auto lock. This feature allows users to set a certain time frame, between 30 seconds and 5 minutes. The screen will stay on with inactivity before dimming and then eventually shutting off. Auto lock can be turned on under the Display and Brightness menu in Settings as well. Screen burn-in isn't the only issue the new iPhones have been facing. Since their release on September 22, customers have complained about a host of issues including overheating, which Apple has blamed on recent updates by third-party apps like Instagram and Uber. Apple released iOS 17.0.3 on October 4 to fix an issue that may cause iPhone to run warmer than expected. There's also been complaints that the new phones break easily. Some of the new phones have also been freezing, particularly during the setup process. When choosing to transfer data from an old phone to a new iPhone, some users are getting stuck on the Apple logo, Apple reports. Before releasing iOS 17.0.2, which fixed the bug that caused this issue, Apple recommended restoring the new phone on a computer, installing any new software updates and then retrying the transfer process.